Have you ever had Astronaut ice cream? It's one of those things you would pick up at like a museum as a kid. I used to love this stuff. So today I'm gonna make my own Astronaut ice cream with my freeze dryer. So come along with me. We're gonna pop some ice cream in this machine and you're gonna see how we get Astronaut ice cream at the end. Alright, let's open this puppy up so we can see how this Astronaut ice cream came out. Now this was the ice cream sandwiches. Just make sure that they don't need to be dried more. Oh, good. Real good. This is going to be bad for me. Now, one thing that I learned through this whole process was make sure you start plating your ice cream right before it needs to go in. Like, normally I put the machine into cool down mode and then plate everything during that 15-minute period. Don't do that with ice cream. By the time that 15 minutes is up, you're gonna have soup, not ice cream. So take it from me, wait until the very last minute to plate the ice cream. Here is this is what I was telling you about. You see how it's melted? That was my bad. So you wanna make sure it's nice and hard when it goes in. So that's why it looks like melted ice cream, because it really was melted ice cream. Now obviously, I learned my lesson after plating the first one. And these ones actually look like ice cream. Tad bit melted, but it was like 90 plus degrees out. Just couldn't help it. What I've been waiting for. So, freeze drying ice cream is so good. Alright, so we're gonna close this one out because I got some snacking to do. This stuff is just amazing. And I recommend you do this at home if you're an ice cream lover too. Obviously, this is not gonna reconstitute to ice cream, but it is a great dried snack, especially if you're going camping or something like that and you just don't have the freezer space. Take these along. They're just so good. All right, thank you for coming along on my experiments, and please hit that subscribe button and alert bell because I'm gonna have so much more for you in the freeze drying experiment department. All right, bye now.